smell smoke.
Oh no.
Go get water.
Oh, we
Why are you all dressed?
I was just changing. We need to get the water. Wait a second. You again with that? I don't know. We gotta get rid of this piano.
No, you can't. We have to see. Your husband has to see, but you can't tell him.
Okay.